This is
Junior
Philippine
Institute of Accountants 0708.
In behalf of JPIA 0708, gusto po naming magpasalamat sa mga sumusunod.
Faculty,
To our beloved JPIA members and sponsors,
Father Jesse M. Hechanova.
And our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Noel De Leon. CAC Family, headed by Dr. Reynaldo Bautista.
And Assistant to the Dean, Mr. Roberto Arguiles.
And most especially, Student
Affairs Office.
to our dear JP advisors, Mr. Joseph Mendoza,
Sir Jonathan Bulataw,
Ma'am Josephine Ocampo,
Sa JPIA Support Staff 0708.
kina Kuya Maldo, Danny, Erwin Atlao,
Sa JPIA Basketball Team. At sa Crystal Maiden.
at sa mga naging MC namin, si Kuya Jonat, Kuya Ted, at Mitch.
at syempre, sa aming mga predecessors at predecessors ng aming mga predecessors. In short, sa lahat po ng tao noon at ngayon na sumuporta sa amin at patuloy na sumusuporta sa JPIA. Maraming salamat po. And special thanks to Sir Nonoy Pelago of SGB and Company for being with JPIA for all these years. At syempre, sa aming mga successors.
Paul, have fun! Faye, keep up the good work! Michael and JM, enjoy!
Bea, stay pretty and happy!
Bench, God bless.
Annabelle, ingat!
Kat and Rocco, be good!
Jeff, tibay na loob!
Christine, your alphabet.
Van, magsipag!
Eric, trabaho lang, walang personalan.
Eldrick, tantrum!
Ryan, good luck.
At Clive, ang puso sa trabaho. At muli,